I wanted to show you these laundry detergent sheets that I got because I absolutely love these things. They come in this, you pull it out, just let me show you, like that. They come in like little sheets. And depending on the size of your laundry load, these actually will come in half. So like if you don't have a very big load, you would just use half of this. But if it's a big load, you could put the whole thing in. But what I like about these, this one has like a fresh linen scent to it, or I don't know, like clean clothes is what it smells like. But you can get it unscented too. But I kind of like the scent of this one. But when I put it in my washing machine, I put it in the bottom and then the water starts running. It will just dissolve and turn soapy, sudsy if the water is hot or cold. And then the other thing that I really like is that these have no harsh chemicals in them at all. So they do not irritate. My husband has sensitive skin, so it doesn't bother his skin or my skin. We've not had any problem with them irritating our skin at all. So I don't know. I just feel like, you know, since there's no chemicals in it, it's something that I'm putting in my body that won't hurt. So we've just been very satisfied with them. If you're wanting to try new style of laundry sheets, I was a little skeptical because I've always used the liquid laundry soap, but I like this much better and I would highly recommend them.